Hi, Emily. Um, this is Stuart. I'm at the airport, and I just wanted to share with you the fifth grade curriculum. I think it's a wonderful curriculum, and you would do a really fabulous job. And of course, there'd be a lot of support. Vipka has all of the material, and I'm going to send you that along as well to look at. There are three main components of the curriculum itself, and you'll see the curriculum is strong enough that it will help push you along and give you a lot of structure along the way. The first piece, of course, is Shoah Diaries, where the kids create a fictitious character of someone that lived in like the 1930s in Germany, and then that character basically, after they flesh out who that character is, what their occupation is, or what their family looks like, or what their religious background is, they basically go ahead and relive the kind of story of Hitler's rise to power up to Kristallnacht through the eyes of the character that they create. Each week they read a certain front page article that we've created. They think about that article, think about how it would affect their character itself, and then they write diary entries which they share with the class. This is usually 1 or 2 days of your 4-day week, and the kids really love it. Of course, at Yom HaShoah, the general studies teachers help you to prepare with Sheila a wonderful tekes for Yom HaShoah, where the kids present some of their diaries. The second piece, which typically has we've turned to actually only after Yom HaShoah, but I don't believe it actually has to be that way, is our Israel unit, where the kids learn Israel map, Israel neighbors, Hebrew, Flora, Flana, key Israel places and events, Israel food, and then they plan their own like week trip to Israel. We actually did some work on streamlining this to make it even more doable in an enjoyable way. And as Deepka will tell you, it was really fun activity for the kids. A lot of independent work as they kind of navigate different pieces on the computer. Um, the third piece is Rashi, where kids explore kind of Rashi for the very first time, all in English, by the way, and they do two pieces of Torah curriculum with Rashi. So they get from the death of Abraham to slavery in 12 steps, and then they get from Egypt into Egypt and out of Egypt in 10 or 12 steps. And the process is there's always like a summary, there's a core pasuk. Kids need to figure out, and you'll go over with them how they find different problems in the text. Then um, they summarize what the question is. This happens to be not Rashi, but Jacob and Asher. Then they have a booklet that actually shows them what the answer is. They indicate if that was their answer. They summarize the answer, and then they rate the answer. And then you can either kids can work in groups in doing this, or you can work with them together on this as well. Obviously, the other piece is holidays, and Sheila has developed a way of teaching holidays in fifth grade that is more frontal, less creative, but the kids really like it because they feel like they're being treated like older children for the first time. And this is about they actually um, um, the teacher goes through like real specifics of like the um, the different customs of the holiday, the history of the holiday, and then kids are taking notes in special booklets, and they get an open note test after each of the holidays. So for some reason, they really love it, and that's pretty much the fifth grade curriculum. I'm going to send you along some stuff from Deepka where she has. You can look actually specifically at some of the material, but I hope this helps you think more clearly about it. I think you do a really good job.